We had a older Anderson teak safari bar. This one is a version with the wheels, and just put it apart and we'll start with the renovation. All these things, like you can see, the trolleys are broken here, so let's fix it. Returning the shine with a heavy metal polish. I finished sanding here. It is broken a little bit. Now we will use all-in-one wood cleaner on all these parts, fixing those broken ones, missing ones, new hedges. Cleaning all these drawers. Whew. Things look beautiful. I will replace the plumbing connection and everything because it was gone, and I need just fix this small crack here because it's super sharp. And next step is pour water on it, have it soaking wet, and use this thing and scraper. We took all the hardware out, we will install the new one. Now it needs to be storage for an airplane, and it needs to be washed out a little bit. So now it's only water, and next one we will add the wood cleaner. So this is after the pressure washing. Now I put the cleaner, the wood cleaner, and I need to scrub everything with a brush. And after, let it dry, do it again, and let it dry, and you can start with the first coat of the teak oil. First washing is done nicely. Alright, so we are done with the washing process. Everything is nice and clean now, and you can already see the difference. Now I'll let everything dry, and probably tomorrow I can start with the first coat of teak oil. It's gonna be beautiful again. So we have another day of our project. As you can see, it's beautiful clean and beautiful dry, all the parts. So I will do the first coat of teak oil, thinking that maybe I will patch this crack here. gonna be nice to have it patched. I will do the wood patch, or I will just glue it together. It looks great. So I used the wood filler for this small crack, and I'll let it dry, and I will send it out, and I can start with the first coat of teak oil. The wood patch is perfectly done and dry, so I'll take a sander, I will sand it out a little bit, and we can start with the first coat. I'm almost done with the first coat. It already looks beautiful. Just did this part. I didn't start with the drawers and all these things, and it really looks beautiful. It's the last part. I don't wanna finishing here. I will do it now and from the outside, so you can see the difference after the first coat. This is done side and not. So it's gonna be gorgeous. I will do one more coat, and it really looks nice. Expensive again. First coat of drawers. They come out beautifully, the rest of them. Second one on this. Wow. I have another progress for you. Some of them are first coated, some of them are already after the second coat. It looks beautiful, really beautiful. And this is actually the safari bar, because it's almost done. So you can see, so beautiful. Just polish the sink again, and I think it's looks great to me from the side and everything. I will actually do the sides probably one more time, but you can see how shiny is it. Looks good, really good. Oh, so everything's done. Everything's beautifully done, and now we will start put all the things together, install new trucks and install drawers back. It's beautiful. So I just installed a new drain, the plumbing thing. So this looks excellent, nice. So everything done. This is the final product. It looks so beautiful. You can open this one. You can pull this thing out. Get it back. There is one opening. Drawers. Here. Here. There are 3 more, and this is it. Anderson teak safari bar, or how they call it. Looks so nice.